Hey, stop running away from peanut coating. Learn this technique instead and become a peanut coating machine itself. Yeah, you had me right. To begin, we are going to soak our groundnut in water for 2 hours. The soaking will increase the size of the groundnut. Of course, you know that when your groundnut is big, your peanut will be big. So these are some of the tricks we do in order to make profits. After 2 hours of soaking, drain the water, spray on the tray and allow to dry. You can use sunlight or you can use your oven. Into another bowl, break the egg and whisk. Add your sugar and whisk as well. Notice that I used 1 egg. This is because I'm using 1 cup of groundnuts. I also added 2 tablespoons of water in the liquid syrup. From experience, adding little water to this enhances more taste and flavor of the peanuts at the end. So I whisked again, then went in with my milk flavor. At this point, you can use any flavor of your choice, just that I personally consider milk flavor my best. Both the salt and the cinnamon flavor comes in now, which I used 1/4 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon respectively. So combine all these by whisking and set aside as we prep our dry ingredients. In another dish, I will add my cup of flour, baking powder and corn flour. The corn flour is strictly optional, okay? Now I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of milk powder and combine everything to mix properly. Just like so, and then set it aside. Now to another bowl, and I mean a very dry bowl, I'm going to add my already dried groundnuts. Beside it, you find both our dry and wet ingredients. Now wet the groundnuts in the dry bowl with the syrup and ensure that every part of these groundnuts is completely wet with our egg syrup, just like so. Then sprinkle your flour and begin to shake. Some call it shake, some call it roll, whatever it is, just move your bowl in a circular motion, just like so. And this process is called coating. Our aim of doing this is to engulf the whole groundnut with the flour using the liquid syrup of egg mixture as our binder. Now when it comes to peanut coating, there's what we call coating sequence and pattern. Everybody into this has the pattern or sequence that works for him or her, but I have also the pattern that works for me, and this pattern is called wet ingredient versus dry ingredient coating pattern. Yes, that is, start with the wet and then follow suit with the dry ingredient. When my peanut is wet, I go with my dry ingredients. Then I will shake and shake and shake, and when the peanut becomes so dusty, yes, when it becomes too dusty, I will go with my wet ingredient, just as you can see now. Yes, and with this, the wet ingredient will completely engulf the dry ingredient, and before you know it, coating has taken place, and it is so simple. Note that you can coat up to 1 kilogram of flour at the same time, but as a beginner, you have to start small with this 1 cup or 2 cups, but with time you can upgrade your coating skill. One sweet thing about this coating pattern I've just introduced to you is that it will help you to choose the size of your peanut. Imagine already your peanut is big because you soaked it. Then additionally, you follow this pattern of coating that I've just taught you now. You see that you'll be the one to choose the size of your peanut. Yeah, already at this point our peanut is completely coated, but I want a big size of peanut, so that is why I keep coating until I exhaust the whole cup of flour and the whole liquid syrup. Yes, and again, please don't be in a haste while coating. Add your flour little at a time and your syrup little at a time. Man, just look at that. Well coated, and we're still coating. We have to exhaust it, okay? So let's coat once more. Again, this technique of coating will not waste your time. I didn't skip this video and it took me about just 7 minutes to coat this one cup. Also, with this method, there is no sieving out of flour particles. That means there will be no waste because every flour that comes into your coating bowl must coat. Wow, just take a look at that. Isn't that amazing? Looking like a ball. I stop coating once our coating agent is completely exhausted. So I quickly introduced my coated peanut into my hot oil and begin to stir around with my spoon. For better results, I would advise you fry at medium heat temperature. So I allowed the peanut to cook in oil and stir again. And once the peanut becomes brownish in look, I scooped out of the fire and repeated the whole frying process until all the peanut is completely fried. So look at the peanuts, very big ball peanuts, and it is smoothly coated, fried, crunchy, tasty, milky, whatsoever quality you may want to describe peanut. This peanut has everything you needed in a peanut burger. Look at that. Did you hear that? That sounds like a thunder. Yes, that is what you get when your peanut is finely coated. It becomes so thick, rounded with ball. The coating is very thick, so it's like almost as if you are eating chinchin. Very nice, very good and tasty. You want to use this for your business or party or supply, just try and follow the recipe exactly, and I tell you, you'll be proud of yourself, and the people you have made this production for will be proud of you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not leave without clicking the like button if you know you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.